In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a backend file and integrate it with a frontend file. To start, let's create a frontend file in the blank feature folder. Name it test UI and set the path as /test UI. Next, create a backend file by selecting blank backend function and name it test. Note that the server.tsx extension will be automatically appended in MERN AI. It's crucial that all the backend functions use the server.tsx extension. You will have to enter it manually if you are using other IDEs like VS Code. Here we have a boilerplate in the backend file. It's simply a create backend function. Its first argument is another function. So we can get the required inputs from frontend and you can pass it over here inside this function as arguments, like name equals string and all. And we can write the logic we need over here. And this returns a message from server. So now let's see how we can call this backend file on a button click. Add a button to the test UI file. To store the response, let's create a state. Now let's save and check the output. The button won't work yet as we haven't called the backend file on the button yet. So let's import the backend file, test server, and call it using the onClick prop inside the button. Since it returns a promise, enclose the message inside then function and pass it to set message. Now clicking this button will trigger the backend function and set the variable in the front end, which will be displayed here. Let's try it and see the message from the backend. And there you have it. Now let's try to update the server message. And save it. Now if you click the button again, we can see that the message from the server has been updated. So if you want to perform data operations or integrate third-party services like payment gateways, email gateways, or any other tools, you can do it right here. You can integrate it here. So that's it. You have learned how to create a backend file and seamlessly integrate it with a frontend file in MERN AI using MagicJS. Thanks for watching.